Alright, here we have a unit where somebody said that the engine went kablamo, made a noise. So we pull it. She's dragging real bad. Feels like it's got no compression. Piston's still moving. So yeah, probably not good. So let's have a gander here and see what happened. So I'm gonna check the compression and see what we got. Probably got 5 pounds in here. Yeah. Get this cap in the way. Yeah, there. Yeah. These things are terrible. See if we can screw this up. Where's my screwer upper? Fire plug's loose. What am I looking for? Brushing gauge. So we're going to check the compression here, and we should have at least about 120. Usually anything below that, you probably started on 90, but it ain't gonna run worth a crap. So let's see what we got here. You watch that thing there, can you see it? I can't see it, so you watch that thing. Yeah, we got a whopping 50 pounds-ish, maybe. These gauges are inaccurate, so I'll give you an idea. So we got a major lack in compression, so it will run. We're gonna play around with the fact that I had an idea. See how much gasoline we can get in 2-cycle oil for it to burn. See if we can get a mixture that'll actually increase the compression, because if we put oil in here, it'll boost up the compression to the point where it'll run, but I don't think there's anything in here. Empty. Alright. So let's play with this. I'll be back. Alright, we're going to take some 2-cycle oil. We're going to put it in here, and we're going to add some gas to it to the point where it becomes flammable. Yeah.
There is?
Yeah.
Someone really screwed it up there.
It's kind of not what you would think, but there is.
I thought it would be right there.
Yeah, but it's not what you think.
Oh yeah?
It's kind of like a fixed jet thing. So, let's see. Maybe they don't do it on here.
What's up?
Where is it?
Keep going.
Mm-hmm.
Watch it.
So, sometimes there's a hole in here.
Okay.
No parts are in there.
Mm-hmm.
And usually that's the air bleed for it. Usually you can tell if there's a plug in here. And then you look on the side and see if there's a drilled hole through the side.
Yeah.
Usually if there's a drilled hole through the side, then there's an idle.
Okay.
Okay. And then see where you could follow this tube up here.
Mm-hmm.
And normally then there would be a hole drilled in the bottom there,
Yeah.
and that would be your idle. This doesn't have it. But there is one similar, very similar to this. I think it might be on the 1000s that have an idle.
Okay.
So we're going to take some 2-cycle oil and we're going to add some little bit of gasoline until it becomes flammable. So it probably shouldn't take much at all. That's probably way too much. It's probably not good enough. Yeah. Gonna be kind of guessing as we go here. It's not staying lit, so still not enough gas. A very inaccurate way to do this. It's getting a little closer. No, not yet. Oh, yeah. Maybe. Getting very close. Staying running. I think we're gonna be able to get this in here. Alright, go find a funnel. Fun funnel. That fun funnel in there. Torque that spark plug down by run? I doubt it. Oh, wow. That's about it. She done burned all that out. She burned all that out. She won't run. I can try some regular gas. See if she'll run. This here is about, it's not 50, but it's about 40. Let's see. See if you can see if it's prime in here. Whoa. Not enough compression to run. Needs more oil.